Well, today I will show you how to insert your SIM card in the iPhone 16 series. This is a 16 Pro, but in all the iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, 6 Plus, they're all the same. So for this, you'll find the box, the SIM ejector tool, and on the left hand side you have the SIM tray. Just push like this and it will release your SIM tray, and your SIM card goes like this with the chip facing up. Just place it in carefully and push till it goes in. And at this point it's searching for network. It's taking a while, but it picked up the signal. Vodafone UK. So this is it. To remove it, just the same way. Just press gently and it will release your SIM tray. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.